Are you in the process of launching a new business but don't know how and from where to get your potential customers? Or do you have an existing business and don't know how to grow it? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Sujit Ganguly and I am an educator and a motivator by interest and a marketer by a profession. In this video, I will discuss about the 7 marketing strategies that will help you to grow your business. These strategies are very easy to implement and are foolproof to achieve success. Watch the video till the end.
You are watching the YouTube channel EduPro Train. Kindly subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon, like and share the video and comment below.
A survey revealed that 97% of people learn about local business online than anywhere else. So small business owners must reap the benefits of digital marketing to track their ROI and brand awareness. Creating and optimizing your digital assets will help you in your overall business growth. Wait, this video is not about digital marketing. I know that you are aware of it. In this video, I will give you the step-by-step process which you need to implement to scale up your business. So watch the video very minutely and don't skip any part of it, because if you skip it, then you may miss some of the important points. So let's start. Step number 1. Know your audience. It will be a great mistake if we think that everyone is our buyer. So understanding your audience plays a very vital role. First, you must try to find out the pains, problems, triggering events and priorities of the niche that you are working upon. It is always advisable to work on a niche rather than laying hands on broad categories, as working on a niche enables you to become a specialist in the eyes of your customer. A niche denotes to a product or services or interest that appeal to a specialized section of population. For example, a footwear industry is a very broad category in which a shoe is a niche and a sports shoe is a micro niche. You can work upon either on a niche or on a micro niche. So you must try to find out the answers of these 2 questions. Number 1, what is pushing the customers to make a purchase decision? And number 2, what is their satisfaction level after purchase? Knowing the answers to these questions will help you to craft a message which will connect you to your customers and make a compelling case of your solution. Create a buyer persona or an avatar in detail to understand your customer in depth. Avatar is an imaginary figure of your customer which you develop and attach to it all the probable queries that a customer in your niche may have. For example, what are they like? What are their pain points? What is their job? And so on. Then you try to solve all those queries. Creating a buyer persona that tells a story of your ideal customer can help you decide your value proposition of your product. By learning more about your target customer through creating a buyer persona, you can better figure out what types of things they may be searching for, so you can include those terms in your offerings. Step number 2. Focus on what value you are going to give to your customers. If there is no difference between you and your competitors, then there is no reason why your buyer will work with you. Your value proposition is what will differentiate you from others in your niche and make up your prospect's mind that you are the provider to go with. What do you do better than anyone in the industry? Conveying this makes a compelling argument. Determine your brand's identity. Having a consistent brand identity will help you to look more professional and will attract new customers. According to a study from Facebook, 77% of people are loyal to brands. Your brand is the feelings and emotions people have when hearing your company name. It is a combination of brand name, logo, aesthetic and design of all your assets. As a business owner, you can build a website. If you choose to do so, then you can use a content management system. You can use WordPress, which is a free and open space content management system. Most content management system has pre-made templates for your website, which you can either purchase it or get it for free, and then you can customize it as per your brand. Once you have created your website, the content management system platform offer you different plugins which you use to optimize your content for search. For example, SEO plugins. SEO is a search engine optimization which is used to rank your website better in Google. Step number 3. Keep focus on single goal and objective. If you explore the world of marketing, then you will see that there are various directions where you can go in. It is very tempting to explore all the directions and craft a complicated machine, hoping that you have covered up all your bases. Instead, identify where the biggest impact will be, where the biggest blind spot in your marketing that's prohibiting your growth. Set a performance goal around that one key area and focus your resources on the activities and tactics that will achieve that one performance goal. You can expand your efforts or explore other directions when you have made more progress towards that single goal. You can promote your product through Google Ads, Facebook ads, email marketing, by conducting webinars, etc. all at once, but you should boil down to one or two methods first and then monitor the progress before shifting to other methods. You can also try co-marketing. Is there a local business who isn't your direct competitor but offers product and services to a similar audience? If yes, then you start working with them in a co-branding campaign and promote each other in a social media or via email or through your blog. While you are promoting your partnering company, in return, you will allow their fan base to know more about you. Develop a go-to-market strategy. Once you have activated all your tools to develop your product and service, you will need to create a promotional plan that aligns with the customer journey. Consider which content will attract, engage, and delight your prospects and how you will convert them into a customer. Encourage happy customers to share their experiences. When a happy customer talks about you, how great your company is in a social media or in a review site, then your products or service looks like a good investment. Even on social media, word of mouth plays a major role in a purchase decision. If a person sees that his friend praises your product in a social media or posts a photo of your product on Instagram, then more likely that he wants to go with you. If customers are telling you that they love your product, encourage them to share about the experience on different social media platforms or Google. If you have a physical store, then you might also want to sign up an account handle so that the customer knows who to tag if they want to post the picture of your product. If there is a new social media platform or a new marketing trend, then don't be afraid to do experiments. If your experiment goes well, then you may consider yourself ahead of the game. When you experiment a new marketing strategy, you should have a solid hypothesis or a question in mind. You should also prepare for the next step that you should take if your result is good or bad. Step number 4. Try to generate revenue for short-term plays first. Tactics that take long time to build is not suitable for your primary initiatives because these tactics will not fetch you quick return on investment for your sustainability. If you have enough resources, then good, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you have evidence that people are searching Google with the intent of buying a particular solution similar to yours, then you can go ahead with giving Google ads, which will help you to gain short-term ROI. When your business starts scaling up, then you can invest in long-term projects, as long-term projects will give you more sustainability. Step number 5. Repeat on what works. Once you have your initiatives running and have experimented on few things, pay attention to the data. This can inform you of what's working and what's not. As you scale, it's a good idea to repeat the proven methods of generating revenue. Step number 6. Understand the power of existing customers. On an average, acquiring a new customer is 5 times more costlier than closing a deal with existing one. So don't stop marketing activity even after you have made a sale. Identify your opportunities for repeat purchasing, upselling and cross-selling. Because your existing customers have already made a purchase, they already know, like and trust you. If you have provided a good experience, you have given them a reason to do business with you again should the need ever arise. Even if the need doesn't arise and you have made the one and done sale with no opportunities of upsell to your customer, then also you should delight your customer. Word of mouth is a free, powerful promotional tool. Step number 7. Use free promotional tools. Speaking of free promotional tool, it is very important to note that since you are committed to limited goals and scope, you should not increase your overhead with gadgets. Use free promotional tools as much as possible and commit to paid tools only if you are absolutely sure that they will drastically improve your current scenario and performance. Social media might seem like that it is a fun platform for people to socialize and connect, but actually it is a very powerful tool. Social media can help you to increase traffic, to improve your search engine rankings, and to engage with your potential customers. While Facebook will be a good tool for local searches and reviews, platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter will offer you even more opportunities to share your posts, content, and promotions. I assure you that if you implement all the points that have been discussed in this video, then you will be easily able to scale up your business within a much shorter period, and that too within a very low budget. Thanks for watching this video.